What's going on, guys? Today we have the 2020 Ford F-450 in the booth. We paint corrected and ceramic coated this truck a few months ago, but now the owner decides he wants a new Raptor. So this one's up for sale in case anybody's interested. But for now, we're giving it a nice pre-sale detail. We're gonna get all the bells and whistles back to shining the way they're supposed to. Get this thing listed on the market.